Hi, I just went through your presentation, and again, I'm sorry I missed that yesterday. And I was just going to make one comment. I saw one of the items you were mentioning was making a SolidWorks model to look at the flooding simulation. And that's possible. I was just thinking, though, it might be easier to do that in MATLAB, just really quickly. And so I was just going to show you how you could do that. So first of all, I'll just kind of show you on here. You could go ahead and if you load that data set in, there's a function here called read georaster. So that reads in that that file. And then, so if we were just to go ahead and for example, look at what that is, so you could just go ahead and create an image of that. Here's a picture of the entire, that entire region. So let's go ahead and we can make sort of a subset of that. So let's go ahead and just take this little area 500 to 700, and then let's go ahead and look at that. So this, for example, would be the subset of that region. I'm just kind of zooming in right on that land bridge. So maybe this is the area that you wanted to look at. So then you could go ahead and, if you want to make that a three-dimensional one, you can go ahead and use the surf command on that. And so let's go ahead and look at that one. So then it kind of starts to look here as a three-dimensional picture. You can kind of rotate this around. If my mouse works, let's try that again. There we go. Okay, you can rotate that around. So now what you could do is go ahead and just kind of change what that minimum is to do it. So go ahead and do that. So I'll go ahead and just create a another oops. Sorry about that. Let's try this. Okay, go ahead and create another one, which would be, for example, the minimum between what the previous vector was, or matrix, and then 50. So this would be like flooding up 50 feet. And so if you were to go ahead and look at this now, let's go ahead and surf what A3 is. Now you can go ahead and see it's going to go ahead and give you what that minimum is. So then what I was thinking is you could go ahead and just create an entire for loop to go through that and step through what that minimum is each time as you move through. So here I'm just going to go ahead and create a little for loop on there. And so now we could go ahead and just click through and watch what this would be the flooding that it moves through on my loop. So anyway, just kind of an idea that kind of gives it kind of quick. So again, you can go ahead and look at this. Here's what the commands are that I did it. Just a comment I had from your presentation, but SolidWorks is fine too. You just might find it takes more time than you need.